Hey folks, welcome back to Little Robin's Nest. Today, I have my lucky Hello Kitty with me, and you know what that means. We're doing some Sanrio character unboxing. I have two of the same blind boxes today, and as you can see, Pom Pom Purin's here in the background. I'm hoping that I don't get another Pom Pom Purin, and I'm also hoping that I do not get My Melody or Kuromi. The other ones seem like they all have the cozy vibe, and they're gonna go well together. Wish me luck, folks. Okay, alright. That must be My Melody. She's cuter than I thought she'd be. I'll take it. One more. Wish me luck. They don't rip very good. Okay, for the pop. Okay, well, at least there are no doubles, and that one is cinnamon roll. Oh, they just need a little bit of sunlight, and then they'll be wobbling all day together. No cards. Oh well. There you have it, folks. Sanrio. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time in Little Robin's Nest.